It's April with Picky Palette. Welcome back. Today I'm going to try something new for me. Caramel Cadbury eggs. I've never been a big fan of the other ones, so I'm going to try these and see how they go. Okay, in this package you get 4, and they're the big ones. Oh my gosh. Okay, caramel, chocolate, can't be bad, right? I know the other ones are always really too sweet for me. So I thought I'd try this one. Ready? Okay. Nothing really to rave about. Caramel, chocolate, a bit much. Yeah. That's a lot of sweetness, all in one. Okay, let's get on with the recipe. 1 box of brownie mix. Follow the instructions on the back to make it. Now some Cadbury caramel filled eggs. Okay, today we are going to make Cadbury caramel chocolate brownies. I thought I'd keep it real simple and use an already made brownie mix, already put together according to the instructions on the box. So pick any brand you like, make those the way it's called for on the box, and there you have it in a bowl. Alright, now what we're going to do is crack these Cadbury eggs into the brownie mix. Okay, they don't crack like real eggs. There we go. Alright, these are kind of like, I think like duck eggs. They're really hard to crack open. There we go. Alright, now just make sure your hands are washed because this gets sticky. Crack them open and throw them in. Oh, wow. Okay, let's try the other one. Now, this time we'll just use both hands if you have to. There we go. You can feel it. Just break it up, throw it in there. This one's going to be real fun. Now, I haven't tried the other Cadbury eggs, but that could be good too. You'll have to let me know if you do it. I used 4 of them, so it's 1 package. Okay, well, we got all of our eggs in there, and we're going to stir it up until it's got a little bit incorporated in the whole thing. Mash up the chocolate a little bit more. Now, you can use a 9x13 pan, or if you want them really thick and chewy, which I love my brownies to be thick and chewy, I used an 8x8 pan instead. Go according to package ruling and how long it's going to cook for. My oven is preset to 350, and my pan is already greased. It's really quite a simple recipe. And it'll incorporate all that candy that you get from Easter. Okay, let's pour this in the pan. Now, I've never done this before, so this is going to be a first all the way around. Flatten it out. There's a big chunk of chocolate. Now we're gonna put in the oven at 350 for however long the box said to say, which I think mine was about 25 minutes. Okay, our brownies are all done. We let them cool for about 10 minutes, and I couldn't resist because they're still smelling warm and so gooey. So now we're going to try them. Oh, let's break it out. It's gooey and chocolatey Wow. And so, oh, soft and warm. Okay, ready for this? Oh. A brownie is way better than the egg. It's got a light caramel flavor to it. Really, really dark chocolate. Taste it. These are delicious. Wow. You're gonna do brownies next time? You gotta do it with the caramel eggs. Easy recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that little notification bell so you can get all the new videos that we post. Thanks a lot, and remember again, you can do this.